Okay, welcome back everybody. A few weeks back I did a very short video on me cleaning up this drum of bad fuel, and a few of you asked that you'd actually wanted to see how the system works. So I've now improved it. I've got a bigger jar here, which is I reckon it much better for collecting if there's any water and sludge getting sucked up. I've got everything else hooked up here, and I'll try not to make a mess, and I'll just fire this up and show you how it works. So the switch on the pump is fused out, so I'm going to connect straight on and let's see where it goes. So we got a good spiral action happening in there. Not too grotty at all. I think I'm getting bubbles coming in, which is making it look like it's cruddy on that side, but that's all going well. Bit of a kink here, make it a bit quicker. You can see that's all looking quite good right now, I think. It is a bit frothier now than it is last time, so I suspect those chemicals that I've added are possibly adding to the froth. It's coming up now, and we'll disconnect it there. And there you go. So that fuel has actually cleaned up really well, as you can see in there. It's quite dark, not sure what that's from. Some chemical degradation, I suspect, biological degradation. But I'm really happy with that. I'll just keep slowly lowering the pump in and draining it that way until I get sludge coming out of it, and then I'll stop. So hey, cool. That's how that works. Thanks for watching.